This emergency broadcast: NASA STICKMAN detected unknown robot. I read. In Jupiter, unknown robot launching missile going in STICKMAN world. First step: bring food, water, medical and first aid kit. Radio towel. Don't take shower, the water is dry. Buy a water in supermarket store. Stay inside in 21 days. After past 21 days, world STICKMAN will evacuate. Is now the president of the STICKMAN will talk. This Diaton. Hello, I am the president of the STICKMAN world. As unknown robot acting the STICKMAN says go to panic mode. I am so sad because it talks. I hate it talks. This came from human world and FBI said is just a robot. The FBI said is a malfunctioning destroyer. The a malfunctioning destroyer is a robot that makes a missile going STICKMAN world. And now goodbye STICKMANs, bye.